Good morning, everybody. Hello. Welcome, welcome. How was the Asia session? Good morning, good morning. Mark, hello, good morning. Not much here lately because of work. Missing your company and profits. Thank you so much. Hope to see you back soon, Mark. Happy trading. Thank you, thank you. Michal, good morning. Bill Holmes in the building, entering next to Corp Trades. Welcome. Dave Mack right next to them with Shenanigan running into the building as well with Daryl. Hello there, good morning. Loving Nature Guy following them with the good fella. Hello there, Ron, also waiting for the longs. Hey there, Saifar. And Muba just entering as well. Ron complaining that he was down 800. Shorted at the bottom, but saved himself and back to negative $100. What a roller coaster. Asia been dumping. I see that. Yeah. Good job, Ron, by the way. Rabbi, good morning. Dominic, my OG good old viewer friend. What's happening, Dominic? Okay. Everybody's an OG, by the way. How's everybody doing? Am I looking for buys on gold? Oh, hold on. Yeah. What's happening on gold? Oh my gosh. I haven't really checked it. Oh yeah, I'm looking for buys on gold. Definitely. Oh my gosh. Finally. Finally, it's happening. Finally. Ooh, how could I forget this? Beautiful zone on gold. I want to buy gold. I want to buy gold. How can I buy it? I want to buy it. I don't care how. I just want to buy it. Oh my god, it looks amazingly good. How can I buy this one? I just have to press the buy button, right? Oh my god, this is too much risk. Oh my god, it's too much risk. Do I want to buy gold? I think I want to buy gold. Oh, I can't buy. I wanted to buy on my Apex account. I don't know which account to buy gold on. It looks so amazingly good. Dude, I want to buy gold. I want to buy gold. Can I buy gold? I really want to, but the problem is... Actually, I can buy gold, right? Why not? I can do that. Easy. Easy. TP 700. Let's go, Ron. Good morning, Marco. Marco ZFG, welcome. Thank you. Looks like wants to kaboom. It does look like. Look at how far it gone without touching the VWAP up there. Maybe for pullback first. Okay. First of all. Where is this gold trade? Here it is. Here's the gold trade. Here's the gold trade. I better bar timer, add text size 14, bottom left, apply. Okay. Oh, that's too much. Okay, that's good. That's the 1 minute. Okay, this would be the gold trade. All right. I entered the gold long. Maybe we're going down to 473. Who knows? We swept an order block, by the way, on NQ. Just saying. So we swept an order block. This here was... This was a demand zone. A 15-minute demand zone down there. Look at that. 15 a minute demand zone. So we just tagged it. Maybe we can go lower. If we go lower, by the way, could be targeting 425. Yeah, why not? You're long on NQ. Okay, let's hope it turns out good. Okay, so this is my gold long position. TP is going to be 5209.8. 5209. Oh, that's way up there. Hold on. 5209.8. $52.09. I'm gonna put it to 52.09.6. Stop loss is gonna be 51.55.6. Okay. This is going to be the gold trade. I'm sorry. Why do I keep switching? Anyway. Push NQ. Let's hope for NQ for the push. Let's see what's up there higher on NQ. What is happening higher? What is going on higher on NQ? I had to sneeze. Asia London has been getting volatile lately. Yeah. I love the fact that volatility is coming back to the market. Is really good. Yeah, it is. It is Daryl. Curry Fishbowl, welcome back. What's up? What is up? Keegan Murphy, hello. How's it going? And by the way, let's all smash the like. Let's all smash the like. We are at 32 likes. Let's go. Come on, gold. Don't let me down, please. Oh, it's going down. It was such a nice push on gold, but it's now going down. Okay. Corb, do you take in account onto average hourly 2 a.m. EST candle to determine the probability of reaching your target? Take it to account on the average hourly 2 a.m. EST candle. On the average 2 a.m. EST candle, which is that the hourly candle, the 15-minute candle, or the price? You know, right now. I mean, so here was 2 a.m. Which candle would that be? The hourly candle? 15-minute candle. I'm not really checking the hourly candle or the higher time frame candle. I mean, yes, I do look at all the time frames though, if that's what you're asking. Do you take into account on the average hourly 2 a.m. EST candle to determine reaching your target? I mean, I'm looking back and trying to build up the narrative, like what happened so far. Now, so far on the 1 hour chart, I do see that by 2 a.m. there was a fair value gap here that has been technically repriced completely. So I do take that into account. But like the candle as it is, I'm not really sure if that's what you're asking. Can I please check oil? Sure. Daryl is saying 499. Let's check crude oil. Oh, wow, 76. 76. Yesterday we made a high, right? So we have a buy side liquidity, which is a daily high, a daily swing high from oh my gosh, look at that. This here is a 2023 September 28 high. Look at that. 2023 September high. So guess what? I think even though I mean it's just so close. It's getting closer, and this is just a 5-minute chart, guys. This is how close we are to 2023 September high. This is how close we are. This would, I don't know what's gonna happen in the middle. I mean, on the east there and with Iran, but like we are just so close, just to, you know, just to tag this, you know, tag it, and then who knows what's gonna happen. This is what I think. We are very, very, very close. Very close. So looking at levels, I wouldn't be shorting. I would not be shorting crude oil right now. Looking at the left, I don't see any zone. That's the thing. So if anything, I would be just looking to go along. But since I don't have a target other than that 79.60, and don't forget that we have the magical 80 level up there, you know, I think this is just extremely bullish. And it looks to be bullish. So buy the pullback maybe. This is not financial advice. This is what I would do if I would be constantly trading this, you know. Maybe, you know, buy the dip and look for these things, but I don't have a target. Like if I don't see a supply zone up there, I'm just not doing anything. But this is what I would do if I would be trading it. NQ slowly a little bit lower. Yeah, NQ doesn't really want to push it higher yet, maybe later. Let's say last 3 days. Oh, I don't look at that, Corb. I'm not looking at that. I know what you mean now. Sorry. Yeah, thank you for explaining it. Yeah, I'm not really looking at that. I know what you mean. I don't really care. I just look back for the previous session, and not really looking at the average for the last 3 days or 5 or 2. Like I do look at previous days levels, and that's it, you know. But trying not to, I mean, it's not complicated, of course, to look back and average it out, but no. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm muted. I'm sorry. I apologize. This is like such a sensitive microphone. There's a switch here. If I just move my hand, it automatically turns into mute. I'm sorry. So let's talk about this. So here's a fair value gap. Here's a fair value gap here, a small one and a big one. Now this 5-minute small fair value gap, look at how priced on the 15-second chart also exactly reacted to the 540 level and then went higher. I'm really sorry about the technical issue. This is a very sensitive switch here on the microphone. So as far as this, we're not going to have a down close candle below 538, then you know, I think it should be staying bullish. This is not bearish until we're not having down close candles below 538. So right now what we're seeing is still good for, it's almost like a bullish flag. I mean, I'm not trading these flags, but like, look at that. Oops. Right? So, oops, what did I do? Anyway, so we have this bull flag here, you know, would be expecting price to go higher, right? That would be a possible scenario. And I do love this breakout to the upside. The gold trade is not really doing anything at this moment. So this is a gold long position, what you see here. Stevie, hello. Hello, welcome. Doing great. Thank you for being here with us. How you doing, man? I don't think there's any news, Michal. Troy says, if it tests again, I think they're gonna be taken out. Oh. Yeah, so I'm kind of hoping that also gold will take off. So far, it looks good, but let's, it looks good for the longs. Let's see if it wants to look for some, I'm really looking for some supply zones here up there, any kind of supply zone. Actually, there is a 3-minute one as well. Oh my gosh, I do like it. I love it. A 3-minute supply zone at 737, and we have a 5-minute on 748. So this is a 3-minute zone lower here. Yes, that's a 3-minute zone with the shift. The 5-minute looks better, by the way, way better. I love it. I definitely love it. I like it. I like the longs really on NQ. I would say would probably engage once we can close above this level at 619-ish area. Camille, the man. You're the man of the hour, Camille. It's always good to see you. Guys, Camille is here from the beginning of times. Good to see you, man. I'm Olbo, Swiss CPI in a few minutes. I don't think that should be moving the market too much, but yeah, let's see. Maybe it will. Let's check the news for a minute here. Okay, we're gonna have non-farm payroll. Oh yes, totally forgot. This week is gonna be non-farm payroll, guys. I totally forgot to talk about that. Okay. Okay, ADP numbers today. Swiss CPI, Spanish PMI numbers. We do have some PMI numbers after the London Open. Okay, that's cool. I like the longs though. Stevie, good. All right, got the new accounts on Apex. Intraday is, as I'm used to see how it goes. Let's go. Good luck with the account, Stevie. Good luck with that, and keep us updated. Content Hunter, hello there. Curry Fishbowl, paper trade, partial take and a risk-free trade. Ah, nice. This was quite a nice move here. Look at how this is great. I'm telling you, if we see a push higher, and this is just the 500 now, I switched to the 5. If we see a push higher than this level, maybe even higher than the VWAP, then maybe we can anticipate a move up to the zones. That would be awesome. Yeah, let's see. 90%. Oh, 90% partial. Nice. Good. Camille is prehistoric. Yeah. Faceless Man. The dance is going to be at 70K. 70. That's going to be at 70K subs. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'll try to reach Luke live on stream. Now that we hit the 60K, I will try to call him. I will try to reach out and ask for some extra giveaway. The dance is going to be at 70K. I promise you. Liquidity grab, fair value gap add. Let's see. I think it all depends how market is going to react to this 617-ish level up to the VWAP. So we'll see. NFP levels, everything 80% of the time spent. 2 full open and close outside NFP highs and lows. Wow. 86% of the time, if we spend 2 full open and close outside NFP highs or lows, we'll have set to okay. That's an interesting number. Thank you for sharing the statistic there. Stevie, hit the thumbs up. Thank you so much, everybody. Hit the likes. We need to get it. Thank you for spending the time here, hanging around on the channel. If you're just chilling, waiting for your setup. Let's see. We are at 49 likes. Amazing. 173 viewers. Can we get to like around 80? You know, just to keep the 50% balance ratio. Let's get to 80 likes. I know we can do it. I'm definitely going to do that, Faceless Man. I don't know if he's going to be expecting it or what's he going to do. Nasha Fazal, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome, Nasha. So I don't know how he's going to, you know, react. I promise you guys, this has not been scheduled or anything. So I'm just going to call Luke on the speaker. It's going to be amazing. They said, I don't know who said that. I said many times, I'm gonna do the dance at 70K, not 60. I told you guys that at 60K, I'm gonna call Luke unexpectedly on his cell phone. I know his cell phone number. I'm gonna call him up live on stream, and I'm gonna do the dance at 70K. That's what I promised, and I will deliver once we get to 70K. I don't know who spread that information. I said 70K. Luke is basically the quote unquote founder of MyFunded TV as the channel, and he's like upper management at MyFundedFutures. And he was, you know, when My Funded TV started, he was also streaming at the beginning, but he's like upper management, and he started out the My Funded TV and the crew, and he built up the team and everybody around My Funded TV, which is amazing. And now he's doing upper management things. So he's like a boss basically right now. And using consolidation again on a higher time frame. This one could be. I'm a little bit disappointed about this gold movement, but maybe we can make it back if it goes to the stop. Maybe we can make it back on NQ. Let's see what's going to happen on NQ. I'm really curious if we're going to have a push or not. How much is an activation fee on Apex? Right now, it's $79 on the 50K. Up until the 100K, so 25K, 50K, 100K accounts, the activation fee is $79. And above the 100K, so the 150 to the 300K accounts is $99 lifetime activation fee right now. I just also passed a new evaluation yesterday on Apex. I am very excited and very happy about the new Apex rules. As I said, they should have done this at least a year ago or more, or maybe 2 years ago. Apex should have done this way back, way back. So these new rules, I think these are awesome. Smokey the Sucker Dad, hello. Yeah, everything is great. Thank you for joining. How you doing, Ollie? NQ's bounce from 500 level, very strong signal to the high, I believe. Yeah, that's why we need to wait 28 minutes. 28 minutes until the longs, come on, until the open. And yeah, I want to take a long if it trades higher and we have some up close candles up there, especially in the 3 minute and the 5 minute. If we see some displacement, the distance is somewhere around a little bit more than 100 points. Would be great to see it go, but we might have to wait for it. And as for gold, for some of you guys who are tuning in right now, the idea on gold is that we are having an absolutely amazing, this is the textbook, this is the most beautiful textbook supply zone that can ever happen to anyone in day trading. This is my absolute number one, 10 out of 10 supply zone here on gold. Absolutely great. These two bullish candles on the 5 minute chart starting at 52.12.5. I know it can still go lower, right? It can still go lower. Watch out for this level, 52.12.5 today. All right, so if it goes lower, because it can, so Jose Maria Gonzalez, thank you so much for joining the channel. Welcome, thanks for being here. So if gold goes lower, it can do like this, but eventually watch out for this level up there, that 52.12 area. So my stop loss might be a little bit tight here. Okay, I know, because the risk, you know, even with one micro, this would be like a $200 trade or risk, and I don't really want to let it go. If it goes lower, awesome, I will find another entry if I have to on the next run. But watch out for the 52.12.5 level. I'm not saying that this is going to be a personalized guarantee, but man, this is the absolute textbook supply zone on gold. Absolutely great. It's, you can't find anything better than this. Absolute great. So just saying, okay, we're trading higher here on NQ. All right. I'm liking this. I'm liking this move. I'm really liking this move here. And it's going to close higher. Oh, I love this. I do love this. I love this move on NQ. It's perfect. How was the price of oil WTI today? I did already an analysis earlier on the stream. There's a historical high from 2023 September, right? At 79.63. During the Asia session, it was grinding higher. I wouldn't short this for sure. I think the market just wants to be bullish. We have the round number of 80 up there. We have the historical high of not like all-time high, but 2023 high. So whatever you do with crude, stay like, be careful with shorting crude, all right? Because it's just so close. Even if it, you know, drops a little bit, you might think, oh, this is the sell-off. No. Buy the dip. That's what I said on crude oil. Buy the dip, buy the dip. That's what I would do. This is not financial advice, but that is what I would do if I would be hooked up to crude oil. I'm not trading it, but I would be buying the dip. Your futures analyst is out of the trade. Congratulations. I still need to wait for the weave up here. Yeah, we have enough volatility for now. What kind of changes have been done about Apex? So I'm not like, yeah, so the one of the quote unquote big changes that there is no more monthly fee. Okay, no more monthly payments, only one-time payment on the evals. But the evaluation accounts are expiring after 30 days. So whether you pass the account or not, sorry, if you pass it, of course, if you're not passing the account under 30 days, the evaluation account is going to expire. That's it. No more monthly payment on Apex. It's done. It's over. Only on the legacy accounts. If you still have legacy account with monthly subscription, yeah, but otherwise no more monthly payment. They simplified the payout process. You only need 5 winning days above a certain threshold. On the 50K is $250, for example. If you have 5 winning days above $250, you can request a payout if you're above the safety net, okay? Which is $2,600. But you need to leave $2,100 in. So the rules are somewhat being left as the old rules, but simplified the process. Now, they also stated that there's going to be no more review, no more approval process, nothing. Once you hit the payout threshold, you can take, you're going to be automatically approved and take out the profit. One more thing. Oh yeah, there's no more 30% rule with the drawdown per position. So no more 30% per position drawdown rule. It's over. That's it. And they also brought in the end of day trailing accounts, but with a daily loss limit. So now you have a daily loss limit on the end of day trailing account. On the intraday trailing account, there is no daily loss limit. That's it. They should have done this 2 years ago, by the way. They should have done this. I was like, finally Apex did the right thing. "30 calendar days. Yes, RX. Yes, 30 calendar days. So if you're not able to pass the account in 30 calendar days, then unfortunately the account is going to expire. Now, let me remind everyone that back in the days, like 5, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, prop firms, most likely in the CFD prop firm space, you only had 30 days to pass the account. So this was like an old thing. You had the 30-day limit, time limit, calendar days. to pass the account. So it's not something new for me, at least, but it was mostly back on CFD prop firms. You only had 30 days to pass the account, and that's all you had, 30 days. Calendar days from the date of the purchase. Exactly, Stevie. Yeah. Thank you. You are welcome, Norbert. I think the rules are now extremely simplified on Apex. So it's very, very simple. Very simple. Take Profit Trader, of course, Mikhail. Take Profit Trader is definitely goated. I love Take Profit Trader with the daily payouts, everybody. 40% off, no activation. And the daily payouts kind of hit different, you know. It's really amazing, especially because they have a wallet. Some also added minimum days of trading 710 for the ones I used. Oh, some also added minimum days of trading 7 or 10 for the ones. Are those for legacy accounts? Basically, the new rule is saying you only need to have 5 days that's being counted as profits, right? Oh, yes. Of course, yes, Stevie. Yeah. Old prop firms were actually requiring you to, back in the days, like years ago, you were required to trade 10 days. Like the rules now, today, are definitely, quote unquote, a little bit easier than it was back in those days. Okay, guys, I think it's time. I think it's time to prepare for something here. Low of this candle, it's gonna shoot up higher. 647.25. I'm putting in a buy limit here. A buy limit here at 647.75. I'm looking for 733. All right, I couldn't wait. And I'm gonna put another buy limit at the VWAP if it's retesting it, 640.50. All right. So I jumped in. 2 micros is completely okay for me. Risk is going to be around 250-ish. Actually, hold on. Uh, 594. Okay. 594. All right. All right. And TP is going to be 733. All right. Sorry, not like this. 730. 733. It depends if it takes the order or not. If not, this is just gonna be a 1 micro trade, but I think it will take the order later. Yeah, MyFundedFutures and Lucid definitely rocking the space for sure. Yeah, I entered the long. Yeah. I mean, this is just 1 micro. I'm gonna add 1 more micro to it. If it tags it. Almost got filled in. Look at that. It's not taking the order. Not taking it. Oh, it didn't take it. It didn't take it. I thought it's gonna tag that, but it didn't. It just didn't. Look at that. My order is left in the dust. Look at it. Funded next. Sucks trade. So you below crypto. MyFundedFutures is definitely a pioneer in the prop firm space for sure. My funded family. I haven't tried them. I heard about them, but I haven't really tried them. I haven't. Price is cheap. I heard about them, but didn't really try. Look at that, how close it was to pick the order. It didn't pick it up. Well, it doesn't matter. That was 1 tick away. The gold trade is still good. Let's wait. That's what we can do. Gold is looking okay for now. Let's hope it stays that way. The 5-minute supply zone looks so beautiful up there. It's like shining beautifully up there. That supply zone is like, this is my favorite level today. Whatever happens with this trade, 52.12.5 today on gold. I love it. I love that level. Looks amazing. Push, thank you. Let's go, Ron. Let's go, Ron. 5 micro. 4K profit plus another 3K plus intraday. Why would someone even consider this? So many better options. Yeah. Let's all smash the likes. I'm gonna check the likes again. How we're doing with the likes. Let me check it. We are at 72 already. Oh, okay. We need 28 more. 28 more likes. I know we can do that. I know. I know it's possible. I know it's possible. $84 right now. 16 more to go. 16. Good morning, Frequency. Hello there. Hit the like. Thank you for the support. We are having more and more subs. Getting closer to 10K, everybody. Wow. Have you tried well charts in TRADEIFY? No, I haven't tried. I never tried the well charts, not even when it was on Apex. Maybe I should, but I haven't tried it. So okay, we are at 86. 14 more likes to go. Okay, gold is still there. 10 minutes until London Open. Let's go, let's go. That order is just sitting there, not doing anything. Oh no, look at how close was this order. Let's just leave it there for now. Gold is still there. And so up there, that is a 3-minute supply zone. I would take your profit into this push. Yeah, that's why I want to see this, if it can reach that level. You know, it would be awesome to see it go there. Gold is not really looking to go yet. So gold is just not there yet. Yeah, I'm afraid so as well. Yeah, I think gold can look for a quite a big pullback here. So my concern is that you know, gold will pull back down, even sweeping lower down to this like 51.30-ish area, and then maybe. But eventually that 52.12 level, I do like it. I think it really looks great up there. You know. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it today. How's the weather? Beautiful sunny weather today, guys. Okay, NQ dropped down a little bit. What is my entry? 15. 50. It doesn't matter. Gold is still up there. 5 more minutes. Good morning, Goran. Hello. Pull back to 550. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. That's what I'm afraid of. Bean trades. Hey, what's up? What if I'm at NQ to 4-5 pull back? Let's see. What is going on? What is going on? I have no issue with this drawdown. I just hope that it's not gonna fall below 600. We're losing a bit of a momentum here. Thank you for the tagged me in an X post. Oh, I got so many notifications on X. Let me see the latest ones. I have lots of notifications. But thank you so much for tagging me. Oh, Bean Trades, you followed me 4 hours ago. Thank you. Hey. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing your post. I'm seeing your post there. Hold on. Wow, that is amazing. Congratulations on passing the exhibition account. Oh my gosh. Bintrace posted that finally on the 3rd year of grinding, he passed exhibition. Let's go. I'm sure I paid groceries many times. You did. Thank you. Thank you for the support. Bintrace, thank you for using the code. Thank you for supporting the channel. Again, congratulations. I wish all the good luck and everything to your account and with trading. Amazing. Philcos says, I had 3 coffees yesterday and was morning. Oh my gosh. Philcos. Good morning. almost at the London Open, so I'm gonna be curious how this is gonna go. We might gonna have a drop, but no problem. Just a few more seconds. Here we go. London Open. Yeah, I would rather see a bit of a sell-off. Not too much, not too much. Bit of a sell-off and then the real push. I got tagged in here. Okay. Which is great. TP 733. Um, 594. Okay. So I got tagged in with the second micro on this trade. Gold is still holding. I'm kind of hoping for the push. Average down my entry to 650. Yeah, 6 millibands. The thing is, I'm also a little bit scared. A little bit scared. Even though we have some good levels, I know. It's a little bit scary to go long here. I know. Randall is here. Don't hope. It's a nasty word in trading. Listen to the man. Listen to Randall. Thank you. Randall, how's it going? Good to see you. How's the weather in Italy? Because now here it's beautiful sunshine and everything looks amazing. I can just imagine how beautiful it is in Italy. All right. NQ is kind of stalling here a little bit. Thank you, 6 millibands. Kind of hoping that we can survive this. If not, on to the next one, right? On to the next one. Are you in Pesta? No, I'm not in Pest, if that's what you're asking. I don't live in Budapest. I do live in Hungary, but I live in a smaller town. Not like a smaller, but like I live like 100 kilometers south from Budapest. Yeah. Not that much volume. Oh, the BMW, it's working awesome. I mean, I did, you know, spend some money on some repairs, but I do love this BMW. I mean, it's an old car, like relatively old, but I love it. It's comfortable. It takes me to places. Really enjoyed to drive it. It's in great condition, by the way. The previous owner really was taking care of it, and it's in really great condition. I love it. The wiper blades are still intact now since a couple of months now, actually, because this year, I mean, I got a parking space right almost in front of our building, and I don't really need to park on the other side of the street, on the other side of the whole building complex next to that guy. So I haven't really escalated the issue, but there was actually 2 more incidents since then when he was tampering with the windshield wiper. But ever since then, I'm not needed to park there. But I will be prepared. Was grandpa car? Almost actually. It was almost. But they were really, you know, taking care of it. It was always a garage queen, so it wasn't parked on the street. The paint is absolutely mint. The inside, you know, no wears and tears on the seats. Almost like, really, even the driving seat is almost like not like brand new, but like basically nothing on it. The buttons, the steering wheel, the whole interior just looks really nice because there's no wear and tear in the interior. Absolutely, like as much as possible to conserve a factory OEM feel and quality. It has been preserved. It's really in a good shape. 24,624 limit buy. Let's see how it's gonna go. You also use Ninja. Let's go. If only I trade as good as I do in paper trading. It's because of the emotion, Corpse, right? So it's so amazing to see how much of a difference it makes. Oh my God, the gold trade is going to the dumpster. How much of a difference it makes to trade without emotions. That's the key. That's just the proof. Corb. Parking Wars video due to snowstorm. I did see a couple of videos. Parking videos. I'm a car lover. I am a real car lover. I am. And I'm not just a car lover. I'm a big BMW enthusiast. I mean, I do love other cars as well, but like, you know. Oh my gosh, the gold trade. Well, it's a small risk, hopefully. Yeah, relatively small, but what a shame for gold. Porsche is nice. Yeah, Porsche is nice. I would definitely love to have a Porsche or Porsche. I don't even know how to say it properly. Porsche or Porsche. Porsche. The thing I see, and I did see a video about the new Porsche 911 series, that they look exactly the same as the previous generation. So they put them together side by side. They look exactly the same. The new Porsche and the previous 911, exactly the same. No difference. Like, who can tell what is the difference? I can't. Certainly someone who is not into Porsche cannot tell the difference between the two generations. It's exactly the same car. So, you know, kind of makes you wonder, like, Yeah, we should trade around emotions, but how is possible even if you get free account, you still care? Yeah. I guess you need to focus. Your main focus should not be on trading, as in particular, like you know, obviously everybody has other things, jobs, businesses, whatever to do, and trading should be like a part-time income or opportunity. Look at this gold trade. Oh my gosh. Oh, so bad. So bad. I told you guys, even if it sweeps these lows, watch out later. 52.12.5. Watch out for that level later. I really want to see that being tagged. That's such a great level on gold. I'm gambleaholic. No. We need to fight with that, you know. It should not be considered as gambling. You need to, that's why you need to follow the strict rules. Randall was a card enthusiast. He's not anymore. make 100K easy on the sim account in Ninja as soon as I start trading evals on my hands to stay winners. Yeah, exactly. I had a 911. What? A 996, a 1996 to 1998. Wow. Randall had a Porsche. Wow. Amazing. Between 1996 to 98. Yeah, those were classic ones, right? Heidi, hello there. First thing with gold is that institutions hedging all the time positions. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, it looks like we're barcoding. I'm just kind of hoping that we will break upside from this range. Oh my god, gold. Most likely I'm gonna get stopped out from this gold trade real soon. Not a good start on this London session, so not good. Not good. Yugo. Oh yeah, I know that car. Yeah, the 4-hour time for things. We are in a bearish 4-hour fair value gap. Oh yeah, we are. We are. That's true. Here's the gap. This looks so bad. Say goodbye to the gold trade. Bye bye, gold trade. Good morning, Zoli. Hello. Bye bye. I got one more today. Could be a trap, right? I mean, come on, NQ. Just please break higher. Yeah, maybe, Stevie. G Trading says, I own the Porsche 928 S4 for 14 years. Oh my gosh, the V8 engine. Oh, wow. And that's a classy one, the 928. Oh my gosh, that's a real classy one. Is that the one that they had in Scarface? Hold on, I need to check it. Oh, yeah, that's the one. Haha. That's the one from Scarface. Let me just find an image with Tony Montana. Oh yeah, here it is. The 928 with Tony Montana right there. Yeah, that's the 928 right there. And risky business, yes, 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 yes. Come on, NQ. Are you kidding me, NQ? Are you kidding with me? This is not what we agreed upon, NQ. Bitcoin is entering low value node, which it can run higher on. Oh, really? So we might see a surge on Bitcoin. All right. I'm going to add Sierra order flow to my charting because I want to scalp more with my infant funding account. Ah, instant. Sorry, not infant. Infant. Instant. It's obvious. Nice. Is Savius a CFD prop firm or futures? That's futures, right? I might look into that. The instant funding. I think I got stuck. No, I'm still in the gold trade. Wow, look at that. Somehow I'm still in the gold trade. I don't know how. Don't ask me how. I'm still in it. Going to Budapest end of March, April. Love to meet you. Zoli, let me know. Anything is possible. Doing sport sponsorship Hungarian champion. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, NQ is just trolling me. It seems like gold is also yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye on gold for a little bit here, and let's follow with NQ on the right side. Salvius is proper trading that provides specified futures trading. Oh, thank you. Sorry, I could have checked it myself. I was just like, I was lazy to check it. Yeah. But hey, it's instant funding, so it's cool, right? That's great. Whoa, Irvin Karbashi, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing the channel. Welcome. Let me check how we are doing with the likes. We are at 102 likes, everybody. Thank you so much for smashing the like button. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Stevie just joining the winners club. Stevie, thank you for supporting the channel and joining the membership. Trickle in, have a margarita pina colada, and sit back, relax, enjoy the winners club. Green Day across all the accounts. Let's go, man. Thank you. Thank you, man, and thank you for joining. Gold is making a turn. You know, I would be happier if it would go back to the green here, but yeah, it's still not over until it's not over, right? This range is ridiculous by NQ. It is. I'm still kind of watching gold, like what the heck is gonna happen here? You and Pine Tree are my only two. Hey, thank you so much, Stevie. Oh my gosh, thank you for the support, man. Thank you for joining the membership level. Amazing, amazing. Thank you. Yeah, Pine Tree is awesome. He's genuine, he's honest, he's transparent, he's cool. Keeping it simple. And yeah, he's cool. I'm really happy that he is now a permanent host at MyFunded TV. It's just great to have him on the show. Okay, what is happening? Hey, Kieran, thank you so much. Bought some Apex accounts with my code. Thank you, man. I appreciate the support. I appreciate it so much. I cannot state that enough, that during these slow months without the affiliate commission, it would be rather a little bit more stressful to survive these months. I really hope that I can turn this around. So far, the year for me haven't really started. Overall, I had 28, almost $4,000 in withdrawal from prop firms, and it's already March. So I was expecting a little bit better. So I try to do my best. Thank you. And for everybody who was using my code. What are chances of MyFundedFutures getting me as guest? Dominic, apply for an interview. they're gonna talk with you about your journey and what you might want to share, you know, and we'll see. I'm not doing the interview, but you know, there's a narrative right now with the team which we really like, everybody at MyFunded TV. It would be awesome to hear other traders' journey, and you know, have them as guests every now and then on the show. Let them talk about how they started, what are they up to right now, how are they doing, whatever. So it's like a good thing. I'd rather stay away from CFD. Yeah, CFDs are, you know, kind of dangerous. Yeah, 130. Yeah, I know. Hey, thank you so much, Kieran. Thank you. Randall, by the way, Randall and Dominic as well. Guys, if any one of you guys want to, I can put in a good word. Randall, why not? Especially if we would tell everybody that Randall is a Hollywood superstar, by the way. No troll, guys. Randall is a Hollywood star. No clear direction. Yeah, look at this range on NQ. I will have to get a MyFunded account and build her up next. Let's go. Oh my gosh. NQ, come on. Is this real? Seems like it is. The annoying thing is that there was no liquidity sweep here on NQ, and it still kind of wants to sell off. Kind of bad. Last line of defense is on the 5-minute here. This fair value gap. If this one is going to fail completely, then unfortunately we might just go below that 595, which is like, it is what it is. Oh my god. Seems like this is going to be a really red London session for me. A red London session. Was looking so good. Did I miss a level here? No, I didn't. Okay, this is the last defense here right now in this gap. This is it. If this gap is going to fail, it's over. Watch my limit order. Did you had the limit order here, right? To buy. Let's see how. Okay, last hope is in Randall. I really hope that Randall's limit order can turn this around. Oh, I see, Dominic. Nice. Very good experience for me. 320 reversal. Oh my gosh, yeah, Bowser. The 320 reversal. How could I miss that? Oh. The previous candle. Top liquidity above range, trigger longs going down now. Dude. No, my only hope is in Randall right now. If he had the limit buy order, it has to go higher. 24, 624, hit your, let's go. Let's get it back. But I think the gold trade is in. Wow, I can't believe it. Gold is getting back to break even after almost hitting my stop. Come on, gold, please. Please, gold. This is your chance. Look at how close we got to the stop. Oh my god. Wow. This is exciting. Are you entertained? We have some crazy price action here. We got some real crazy price action. Randall is up 5 points. Randall, tell me, do you think we can reach that 730-ish levels? Do you think we have a chance to get to 730 something or 730-ish? I hope we can. I hope we do. I want to get the... Oh my gosh, what is happening? I had to ask. NQ is listening. Oh no. Are you not entertained? Oh, gold is back there. NQ, come on, NQ. Come on. Oh, looks terrible. Oh, Randall is out. Okay, then I'm done. Randall's trade went up there, exited with 32 points, and he just, you know, just like that, walks away like Clint Eastwood in the sunset. Takes his 32 points. And I'm like going down with the Titanic, you know. Let's see. Well, yeah, Dominic, it can happen. Oh my gosh. Okay. NQ is done with the longs for now. Oh man. Ah, it's so disappointing. It's so disappointing to see this. Just past the Lucid Flex. Oh wow, Loving Nature guy. Wow, the giveaway account. Oh my gosh, I gotta give an applause to Loving Nature guy. Giveaway account passed. Amazing job, dude. I don't know. I'm losing hope here. Now we wait for longs. Yeah, for how long? Almost hitting my stop loss here. Oh man. You know, there's a narrative here that I think might happen here. We go down into this fair value gap, you know, picking up liquidity, and then hopefully go higher. Maybe that, I don't know. Oh, come on. That was a flex account, Corb. That was a flex. 50k Lucid Flex. Yeah. Today has the cleanest London. It looks great though. I mean, I'm not saying the price action is bad. Maybe the only thing is that, you know, my position and stop loss is not at the right place, but I do like what I see, by the way. Overall, it's not that bad. Actually, it's good. Do you trade Apex with Rhythmic, Tom? I trade with the TRADEIFY right now. I mean, through Ninja Trader, TRADEIFY connection. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Loving Nature guy, it's an amazing thing, amazing feeling for me as well that you passed it. Amazing result, and you know, what can I say? It's my pleasure that you won, and good luck with the account. Take it slow, you know, Loving Nature guy. There's no rush, no nothing. Just, you know, slowly, step by step. You know, Yeah, they are really working it right now, Randall. Yeah, they do. They do. Oh my gosh. Gold is like, what the hell? No. I'm sorry. I live in Kecskemét. I live in Kecskemét. I don't know if you know where it is. It has a really fancy name. Now I can show you. Oh, Becky Mai, hello. Or Becky May, I don't know. But thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. So here is where I live. So hold on. Here's the city where I live. Here's Budapest, right? And here's Kecskemét, where I live. So it's easy for me to get up to Budapest because this is the highway here, the M5. The M5 highway, I just boom, go up and boom. I can be in Budapest in like 40 minutes if I want to. No problem. Boom. Right? I can't believe it. Both trades are back into break even. I can't believe this, guys. Both of the trades are back to break even. What do you do with your prop accounts when you go on vacation? I take my laptop and I try to take the smallest trade with 1 micro once a week. You know, I try to get a bit of a time, most likely on a market open-ish or after or something when the market is busy, and I try to copy trade them. That's how I try to do. So I try to copy trade all the accounts if possible, but with a very small trade. Even if I lose the trade, no biggie, because at least I flip the accounts. You know, I try to flip the accounts once every week, because I don't remember which prop firm has what kind of rule or whatnot, whatever. So just to make sure when I go to vacation, I just do a simple copy trade. With Bulenox, you have to be careful because they don't let you to copy trade, but I just manually open the trade. One trade when I have a free 20 minutes or 30 minutes with the laptop, and I'm done, basically. Just one single small trade. I did it last time when we were in Italy. You know, it was like in the movies. Like, you know, I went down with my laptop to the cafeteria, to the lounge, and I'm like, oh, okay. I was just drinking my coffee. I put on one trade, and I'm like, okay, let's go to the beach. So that was it. That's a little bit east, yes, sorry. A little bit east, but like for me, it's 100 kilometers, but a little bit like southeast. Yeah. Yeah, goat mate. The name of the city, Kecskemét, where I live, is actually means goat. Goat. Oh yeah. I could speak this in the last 10 minutes of the next. Oh yeah, best DJ in town. I know. Yeah, you're welcome, Edisco. Just a simple copy trading process on my laptop. 1 micro trade. If I lose it, like if I lose $100 or whatever, I'm just okay, whatever, you know, let's move on to the next week, and that's it. The goat. Yeah, I live in a city named Goat. Almost, basically, it's almost named Goat, but yeah. How's the gold trade so far? Gold is almost back to break even still. So far, I'm liking what I see on NQ. Maybe not now, but I really want to see a push here. Yes, yes, I love to go to Balaton. Yes, I love that place. We were at the Balaton, by the way. Let me just show you. We were at the Balaton now that it was frozen not too long ago. Oh, come on. Where is it? Jesus, I'm sorry. My mistake. Yeah, so the Lake Balaton was so frozen that we can actually walk on it. Look at that. Oh, you guys don't see it. Hold on. So we were able to walk on the lake. You know, everybody was walking on the lake. This is how frozen it was, basically. Everywhere. You know, it was super frozen. And we were able to like walk around the whole lake. You know, it was a little bit freezy. PPT is okay with scalping. Yeah, they are okay with scalping. Yes, they are okay with that. Yeah. No, there is no rule against scalping at Take Profit Trader. Absolutely no rule. Oh, with the lot of, oh my gosh, you guys were lucky. That was a little bit heavy on the Balaton, no? Driving on the Balaton, oh my gosh. I do remember there was a guy in Hungary who drives his car a Hammer, and the guy actually drove his Hammer into the lake Balaton, and this happened. This happened here in Hungary. The guy drove his Hammer H2 into the Lake Balaton. So, just saying, like, this is a real story. It happened. This actually happened here in Hungary. So, this is how it started, by the way. Hold on. Where is it? So, this is how it started. And this is how it ended. So this is how it started, and this is how it ended up. You know. Oh, is it a different car? No, no, this is the one. Sorry, because this is yeah, this was the one, because this car is for sale. Yeah, this was in the Lake Balaton. Yeah. I think it was a bet, by the way, Goran. It was a bet, I think. By the way, you nailed it. I think they were betting on it. Yeah. Yeah, the car actually. Took a dive. Oh, just like my NQ trade is taking a dive here. Well, NQ finally gave in. What can we do, right? At least gold is still holding. Last resort is the hopes in gold. I stroke truckers to drive across frozen watermarks. Yeah, they might want to do the same. No, I was long earlier, up from 650. I'm still in the trade, but I was up from earlier. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem good now. As I said, gold is still, by some miracle, gold is still in it to win it, hopefully. The gold trade is still on. I mean, NQ is still on, but it seems like NQ is not going to survive. NQ is not going to survive. Do you put a time limit on your trades? No, not really. Obviously, at the end of the day, there was, I mean, the longest day trade I had on in futures was for almost a little bit more than 8 hours. Actually, almost 9 hours, sorry. Almost 9 hours. It lasted for almost 9 hours. And it was like in the PM session already in New York. And I was like, I don't care. I closed it manually. But, you know, at the end of my whole trading day, I just make sure that I cancel and close every order and trade and everything. And that's it. Otherwise, I just let it slide. You know, I just let it go. Obviously with the stop loss and take profit and everything, but I have no problem holding a trade for hours, by the way. I have no issue with that. Absolutely zero issue holding a trade for hours. I'm completely comfortable with that. Look at gold. Wow. Maybe gold is going to be our savior today. Maybe. $59 minutes and 50 seconds from last week. I think this 8-hour trade was last year during the summer. Sorry, not 8 hours and 30 something minutes, I think. And it was during summer. I actually went on with my day. I get back like, what the hell? I'm still in the trade. And I still left it like, look at NQ. What the hell is going on? Use the old phone. Yeah. I don't know any guy named Morpheus. No, wrong number. All right. Send it. Send it. What's happening on gold? Look at gold. Do you guys want the pump song? You know, should we play the pump song? We're gonna be losing subs and viewers once we play it.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump. Greatest satisfying feeling you can get in the gym is the pump. Let's say you train your biceps. Blood is rushing, that's what we call the pump. Your muscles get a really tight feeling, like your skin is going to explode any minute. You know, it's really tight. It's like somebody blowing air into your muscle. It just blows up, and it feels different. It feels fantastic. The pump is different.
The pump.
The pump is fantastic. The pump is different. The pump is fantastic. As satisfying for me as coming is, you know, as having sex with a woman coming. So can you believe how much I am in heaven? I'm like getting the feeling of coming in the gym, coming at home, coming backstage when I pump up, when I pose out in front of 5,000 people, I get the same feeling. So I'm coming day and night. That's what we call the pump.
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 The pump. The pump. The pump. The pump. The pump. Terrific, right? The pump.
All right. I think we brainwashed ourselves. Look at that. Even the market doesn't like it. At least thank you is going nicely. You know, that's kind of cool. Thank you so much, your futures analyst. Thank you. Thank you. The pump made it to guide. I'm telling you, the market makers don't like this song. Just like anyone, many others. Gold looks good. Yeah, let's check gold. Yeah, look at gold. Wow. Okay, the gold trade is actually working now. It was really close to the stop here, but it's working now. Let's get it to that. I told you that 5-minute supply zone is a masterpiece up there. It looks really great. Again, let me state that if this would fail and go down later, I would still be looking at that 52.12. It just looks amazingly good. Oh my god. Oh, Dennis, what are your thoughts on new Apex updates? I think they are amazing. I think they should have done this years ago. I think it's an awesome update. I think it's an amazing update. They should have done this way long ago. Finally, they did the best thing that they could. I think everything is great. Maybe the only thing is that they should have like went with a little bit of a lower number, not $250 on the 50K account for one trading day to count. So they should have just gone with like maybe maximum of $200, right? 250 is not that bad either, so it's okay. But you know, that's the only thing. But otherwise, I think it's great. It's amazing. Amazing that they did it finally. The pump, MSG UFO, the pump. Run it one more time. Which market? Gold is going also. So my final TP is going to be 732.75 up in the zone. I'm not going to move it. My stop loss is going to be down there below 600 somewhere, 597.25 if it decides to go lower. And for gold, I'm going to keep the TP at 5209.6. I'm going to keep the stop at 5155.6. So, you know, we'll see, because let's just face it, this market is right now a little bit trashy. I mean, it was good until this, until like the London Open, it was kind of okay. It was really good price action ever since the Asia session or during the midnight time, the open anyway. But now it's a little bit trashed down or out or whatever. So it's been 3 days on pending. You still have a legacy account, right, Dennis? You might be. I don't know. I hope that everything goes well. The biggest thing, and I also have new funded accounts now with the new rules with Apex. So what I'm hoping is that, and I think it will be okay, because why not? Because one of the biggest things that they came out the door is that there's going to be no more reviews on the new accounts, no more review, no more pending process. You hit the level of payout and you're getting the payout. That's it. No more stuff like that it was before. And that's it. Now that would be really amazing. Come on, NQ, what the hell? Yeah, automated payout exactly interface. Now that is a really, really great thing. No more human intervention. You hit the payout threshold, you click on the payout, and it's automatically getting processed. And that is amazing. I think that is just amazing. Finally, they did that. So that's really going to be something that people were looking for that, and people are looking for that in many other platforms too. Oh, guys, it seems like NQ is going to troll again. Pre-market open is in 7 minutes. It tells you if you're eligible and reach your, yeah, exactly. What a slow market. What a slow market right now. Oh man. Oh, gold is down. I don't get it. I don't know what's going on, guys. I really don't know. Going back to 524. But yeah. I'm afraid so. Doesn't really want to break higher, right? Anywho, just wanted to get you. Yeah, Dennis. I think I really think that it's an upgrade. Thank you so much for being here, Dennis. Have a good sleep, and try to rest up. Thank you so much for being here, Dennis. Good night, Corb. Oh no, the disappointment. I will find proof that I said 70k live on stream. All right. Yeah, VWAP is holding. Maybe. What a disappointment, NQ, right now. Do you use ICT stuff? Not really. Some portions of it, but that's all. I'm not following him, and I don't. Some portions of his lectures or teachings I like, and I did take quite a few notes back in 22 and 23. Otherwise, not too much. Especially not the tinfoil stuff, because, you know, because I know he's building the doomsday bunker and getting ready for the end of the world. So I'm not really following that. Check Bitcoin. Oh, 71. Okay. Look at this push. Wow. Wow. Okay, everybody's jumping into Bitcoin. Let's go. Looks amazing. Wow. So everybody's getting their money out of gold and putting it into waffles. I mean, Bitcoin. Up 71k. Wow, what a nice push. Up 4% already. Nico, hello there. Kevin, what's up? Just, you know, sitting in two trades here, long on gold and NQ. We had quite a roller coaster. Gold almost hit the stop loss. Look at that. Now we're back to break even. Was in a bit of a profit. So quite a roller coaster on gold. Almost the same on NQ as well. We went down and now we're back up to break even. You know, it's kind of crazy. Supply and demand. For core of you, yeah, so supply and demand is my target level. So that is what I'm looking for when I'm looking for targets. I'm trying to anticipate if and when the market will try to hit one of those levels, demand or supply zone, right? As an entry, I'm kind of trying to use a hybrid model of the 2022 ICT entry model, which is nothing special, just a market structure shift with the displacement, with the fair value gap and the pullback or retracement into that level. So I just need a clean break or price move into the direction, into or towards the direction of the zone that I'm looking for. And that's when I jump in. That's how simple it is in a nutshell. Obviously, there are more things to it, but mainly that's it. So, yeah. Hey, absolutely, Nico. Absolutely. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Oh my gosh, it's, I don't know, NQ, come on, man. Bottom ticked at the dentist. No, Ron, Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, it seems like we had a good run. This is the pre-market open. And it seems like we're kind of failing here. Both gold and NQ. What a shame. What a shame. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I have to call it because I gotta go to an appointment. Today is not the gym. Yesterday was leg day, so today is a free day, but I have to get to an appointment. I'm gonna leave these trades on. Unfortunately, I think the stops are already in the crosshairs. So yeah, it is what it is. Thank you everybody for watching. Yeah, I just checked gold. Yeah, it doesn't look good. So thank you everybody for watching. I'm gonna leave the trades on with the TP 732 up there and with the gold 5209 with the stops as well. So 597 on NQ and 5155.6 on gold. We'll see what happens. Hopefully NQ will grind higher. Thank you everybody for watching. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code up there. You see it in the banner for all these prop firms: TRADEIFY, Lucid Trading, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader with the daily payouts. Buy one, get one for free promo is still running with Funded Futures Network. By the way, just saying, TRADEDAY as well. And all the others, the code is the same. Thank you for the support. I do appreciate it. And you guys are amazing. Take care. God bless you all. And I'll try to get back for the early New York session. All right. God bless. Cheers, everybody.